Welcome back, Armchair Outdoor enthusiasts. This is my 3-minute review of the SOTO WindMaster stove. It seems like all stove reviews are a heated topic, so stay tuned until the end of this video and I'll tell you why I think this stove is the best buy for your money. The SOTO WindMaster is a lightweight backpacking canister stove with a piezoelectric igniter and a micro regulator. The SOTO WindMaster features a raised rim around the concave burner head to improve wind performance. It comes with 2 detachable pot stands, a lightweight 3-prong version, a folding 4-prong version, and a cute little baggie to put it all in. The whole kit and caboodle weighs in at 3 5/8 ounces, but I don't bring these. So for me, the stove and 3-prong stand weighs in at 2 3/8 ounces. I bought my first stove quite a few years ago from REI, but they don't carry it in the store anymore, so I bought that one from Amazon.com for just under $80, and with Prime shipping, it was at my door in 2 days. As for its design, dependability, and durability, it's top-notch, and it does not get any better for a canister stove in the lightweight backpacking category. Quality for price? 9 out of 10. Let's move on to my final thoughts. I put together a blog post with more detailed information about the SOTO WindMaster, the SOTO Amicus, and my current cooking system on my website. The link to that post is in the description below. The SOTO WindMaster has been my go-to stove for the last 5 years, and I've never had one issue with it. Because the stove is a bit tall, I do recommend buying a canister support and using the 4-prong stand if you plan on using really wide pots. High-quality fuel will always give you the best performance. There are quite a few options, but I personally find the fuel from MSR to be the best. In average conditions below 3,000 meters, a 4-ounce canister provides me with about 40 cups of boiled water. There are plenty of stoves in this category to choose from, but the WindMaster has the best burner head design and outperforms them all in windy conditions. It also has one of the highest BTU ratings, and the addition of a micro regulator is an added bonus. The only drawbacks would be the height of the entire unit, the price in comparison to other stoves, and the fact that the pot stands are detachable. So if a lower price and a fixed pot stand is your cup of tea, then I strongly recommend looking at the SOTO Amicus. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my blog post. Happy trails!